Okay, friends, these shoes are open edit. I actually bought these shoes from the New York Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. If y'all remember me showing you those shoes, I'm wearing them right now. These shoes, as soon as I put them on social media, you guys bought them out. And my best friend went to buy them, and they were sold out in New York. But guess what? They had one pair of size 10 for her here in Beverly Hills, so I had to buy them for her. I also bought another pair in animal print that's headed to my house. So the great thing about Nordstrom is that you can order them and have them delivered to your house and still take advantage of the sale that way, even if they don't have them in-house. But all of these shoes for my corporate girls, these are going to be super duper cute to put on. And the open edit is 44 and the Sam Edelman is 89. This is the time when you take advantage of winter boots. And of course, some girlies are still wearing boots in the summertime, especially in the evenings. If you live in LA, it gets pretty cool, so you could still pull this off. Again, I mentioned animal print is in, whether you go zebra, leopard, the animal prints are in, polka dots. I'm obsessed with this here. My New York Fashion Week girlies, this is going to be the vibes. And then a really short boot. These boots are really giving me equestrian, but they don't come up high enough, but they are still super duper cute. And they're under $200, y'all. When wintertime rolls around and we start getting boots, they can go up to $200 or more easily. So there are designer sunglasses under $350. The book club is only $29.99. Okay, a lot of the beauty sets I've showed from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale in New York translates over here as well. Of course, we have YSL, we have Prada, also the iconic Carolina Herrera, and then we have Burberry down here for just $117. Okay, $300, y'all, for an Initio set. It comes with a small perfume, the travel size. I just want to show y'all. And as you know, Initio is one of those fragrances that is at a premium. So to get these three for 300 is a steal of a deal. All right, my girlfriends, y'all remember I talked about advanced night repair really being there to help with the reparative process during the nighttime with their synchronized complex system. When you are looking at skincare at a premium, you're going to get a lot of the times the results that you're looking for to minimize fine lines and wrinkles, boost collagen, and just the reparative system at nighttime is always best. This also sits well under makeup. This was $258. It's now down to $172. So there you go. Here we go. We have Le Prairie. Now, remember the backbone of Le Prairie is caviar. And what I really love about Le Prairie is you're paying a premium, but you're getting results. And this actually gives you the Skin Caviar Luxe Cream Duo. So instead of paying for one of the creams at like 500 and something dollars, you're actually getting two. So there you go. 2 for 1, baby. So if y'all remember, I talked about Clinique was one of those skincare lines I used when I was in high school, and this is what my dermatologist recommended I use, and I got the results. It calmed my skin. Moisture Surge, great for my traveling girlies. New York Fashion Week is coming up. Throw one of these in the purse because this is going to rejuvenate the skin and help you to minimize transepidermal water loss. So I definitely say Moisture Surge for the win. Also, this is one that my nieces love. They're twins, and this is only $33. It is the moisturizing lotion. Again, the skin barrier only wants pretty much moisture and repair. It also is one that wants to be balanced. So anytime you see a skincare line that does not have the pH on it, it means that the products are already balanced more times than not. Drunk Elephant is one that will disclose the pH. Estee Lauder, not so much, but most of the time, Estee Lauder makes its products like Clinique that is for everybody. So they also have these little cute duos down here that I feel would be great as gifts during the somebody's birthday or even like Christmas time. I always like to buy during the sale, keep these things on hand. So when it's time to do gifting, you already have it in your arsenal. $32, two for one again. Another brand that I love is Shiseido, and I've talked about Shiseido. Their science is proven. The skin is going to thank you when you use Shiseido's products. A lot of moisture, a lot of rejuvenation, a lot of repair happening with the skin, and these sets are around $100. Are y'all kidding me right now? I did not see this at the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale in New York, but it's here in Beverly Hills at the Grove. Okay, let's talk about Clarins for a second. This trio for 221, you can't beat it. And Clarins is known to give you rejuvenation to the skin. It's going to boost collagen. There's turmeric in here as well, which is really great as a calming agent, but also a brightening agent. It's an anti-inflammatory, so I definitely say go after that. And then we have the eye lift, which is going to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, firm up underneath the eye. Caffeine is in there to really tighten up underneath that under eye area. So I definitely say don't sleep on Clarins. Really great brand. And 221 is a really great deal. Also, if you're here at the Grove, you can get your nails done because in this Nordstrom, they have a nail salon where nail techs can actually do your nails. I had no idea. And this takes it up to a whole nother level. So come buy your items, get them on sale, and then rejuvenate, kick back, and get your nails done all in one shopping day. I'm here for it. Thanks, Nordstrom's. Now, I've talked about Max Huber's line, which is La Mer, and the miracle broth being the backbone of La Mer's product. If you need to repair your skin, heal your skin, bring moisture to the skin, this is the way to go. The creme de la mer is pretty much the OG of repairing the skin. This was $460. It is $295. That is unheard of for La Mer. And they only have a few of these left. I'm going to walk y'all through some of the really cool sets from La Mer though, because La Mer's products, they are proven. Y'all know I use La Mer through and through. The concentrate, the night cream, and then we have the OG creme de la mer only for $435. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Okay, remember I said it's very important that we don't strip the skin? Well, you get two of the Essence foam cleansers. They're $150. This is an awesome deal. Now, granted, you can get a full size like this, or you can go after. Let me look and see what size. This is 4.2 fluid ounce. This is a good size product, y'all. I would definitely say take advantage of that. Two for 140, unheard of. I think one of these I paid like 110 or something for the full size, and now you can get two for 140. Okay, remember I talk about gifts for the holidays and taking advantage of sales for this same purpose. When it's somebody's birthday and you want to gift them items, Christmas time, the holidays, where gifting is important, then go with sets like this that's just under $50, y'all. This is amazing, and we have really great brands here.